In this video, the Bitcoin technical analysis which we mentioned, the bullish breakout has played out exactly as predicted, but right now Bitcoin is forming a new bearish pattern. Well, stay tuned to know more. Main thing din na kailangan din makuha ng mga traders din talaga is their fear and greed. Ang kalaban mo lang talaga sa kahit sa investment, mapa-insurance yan, mapa-lupa. Ang tanong parati dyan is, kaya mo ba magpasok ng ganyang pera? Kaya di ba yung lagi ko sinasabi sa videos ko is always trade by the data and not by the hype.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mexi Talks. I'm your host Pancake, your SEA marketing manager, and I'm here with Tristan of Gabs Crypto. So he's a pro trader, an analyst, and a Bitcoin maxi. Hi Tristan, thank you so much for being here with us today.
So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, yesterday we don't have any video because my bago akong special episode which was with MEXC Asia. I highly suggest na you check out that video if let's say you are starting sa crypto or you don't know yet much of crypto, or if let's say you just want some casual conversation with regards to the crypto market, make sure to check out the video that I had with MEXC. I will put the link in the description down below so you can also watch the full episode. It's 30 minutes long, so plenty of conversation and plenty of contents which you can follow with regards to the crypto market. But anyway, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, 'di ba, sa previous analysis, we have been mentioning nga na we actually came from a Bitcoin falling channel. So, that's why we saw a breakout to the upside. And 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, our first target is going to be the 71.5, which has been met exactly as predicted. Then our final target is going to be the 74.4K, which has actually played out exactly as predicted as well. So, congratulations, guys, if you were able to take advantage of that trade. As for me, I have been taking advantage of this long and then short, then long, then short, long, short, and then long. That's what I've been doing for the past few weeks already with the Bitcoin price action. In fact, you will find ka dun sa latest Facebook post ko na ayun nga, we have been taking advantage all of those trades. And take note, while I do share yung talagang in-depth analysis dito sa YouTube, yung mga smaller time frames such as yung mga pwede nating i-day trade, minimension ko siya sa Instagram channel ko. So make sure to follow my Instagram channel as well as my Messenger group chat. Sinasabi ko doon yung mga step by step na trades na ginagawa ko din. So make sure to follow both. Kasi dito sa YouTube, sasabihin ko yung mga pinakang overview at yung pinakang in-depth analysis na kailangan natin sundan. But when it comes to yung short-term trades, yung very short-term, sasabihin ko naman siya dun sa Instagram channel ko, pati Messenger group chat. So, either way, hand-to-hand, you have to watch both YouTube and check out yung channels ko dun if you want to follow more analysis then. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So, the reason why I've been longing Bitcoin dito is because if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, you will find na we have recently seen a bullish cross nga dito sa 4-hour stochastic RSI. So that's why we have seen that movement playing out. But going back dito, as you can see, right now, isa din dahilan ng bakit kinulose ko yung long position ko dito. And nag-open ako ng quick short position dito was because of this increasing price while RSI was declining. So those are traditional signs of a bearish divergence. At the same time, we are also still playing this falling channel. So after ng bearish divergence na yan, we have played that falling channel na continuation lang na pump to the upside. So that's why we have opened a long position. So congratulations if you were able to trade that, guys. And take note, meron din tayong deposit bonus kay Wix. If you are going to deposit $20, if you're going to deposit $100, you will get $20 of bonus. And the sign up link are available in the description down below. So make sure to take advantage of that. And dito din ako nag-trade kay Wix. Ang dami nagtatanong kung saan ba ako nag-trade ngayon. Currently, I am currently trading with Wix kasi dito, hindi mo kailangan ng KYC, mura ang trading fees, and ang dami mong pwedeng i-trade din dyan na coins. So I highly recommend that you guys use Wix. But yeah, going back, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So looking at this chart, if you're going to plot a support line dito, and then a resistance line at the latest Bitcoin price actions, you will find that we have started forming an ascending channel. So as ascending channel are traditionally a bearish pattern to the downside. So it usually plays like this. So ayan no. And then after nyan, if let's say magkaroon tayo ng bearish breakout dito, we will see Bitcoin go back down to the 65 or 66.5k. But let's try to look at the targets dito if ever na mag-start na siya mag-play out. The first target na we are going to follow is going to be the 70.7k, or siguro let's make it more lenient, 70.8k. Then the next target is going to be siguro roughly around this area. Ito. It's going to be the 68.1k. Gawin natin 68.2k. Then yung last target dito is going to be the 66.1k. So yan yung magiging targets nito if let's say we see a bearish breakdown dito. And right now, we are not going to open a short position yet because there's no confirmation pa. The only time na we can confirm this is if let's say magkaroon tayo ng candle close dito below the support area, then we are going to open a short position to the downside dito kay Bitcoin. And now take note, every time na ma-hit natin yung first take profit area or second take profit area, nagte-take profit ako dyan. 20%, 20%, 20% take profit along the way, para kahit paano ma-secure natin yung capital. And at the same time, once na ma-hit yung mga targets na yan, yung stop loss natin, if initially stop loss natin nandito, adjust ko siya into a trail stop para if ever let's see biglang umakyat si Bitcoin, masisecure natin yung profits natin at hindi tayo mawawala ng pera. So that is what I am going to do here with the Bitcoin price action. Now take note, you also have to consider the potential of a bullish breakout scenario. So if let's say magkaroon siya ng bullish breakout, what you're going to do instead here is lagyan natin siya ng pole, then lagyan natin siya sa point of breakout. You will find the Bitcoin can possibly go to 78.9k if magkaroon siya ng bullish breakout, which is right now it's actually looking like less likely na mangyari yan because of this rising channel or ascending channel. At the same time, we might potentially form a bearish cross stochastic RSI. So right now, those are the things na what I am currently looking out for, and yun yung pinakang imo-monitor ko within the next few days. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.